What? What? What do you want? What do you want? Are you sure? Are you really? Yes? All right. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Ep. You know where to go. Come on. Come on. Good babies. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Monday, March 2nd, 2020. And sorry for the dog barking so loudly. It probably is going to scare the crap out of you when you first hear that video. Come on, pups. Get in. There you go. Ep. There you go. Alright. Alright. So, real quick before we jump into the video. It's a little overcast now. Not a bad day here today at the homestead. A lot of snow melting, which was fantastic. And here's the thing. Now, I had to go down to town today. I actually had to go do some running around today. But down in town, there's like no snow at all. There's nothing. And then we still have, actually, and this is a lot of this melted, believe it or not. I mean, the paths here a little bit finally are opening up. But we had, the greenhouses melted everything off of there, and everything's melted off of the roof of the house. So, yeah, but real mild day, low 50s, I think. So it's been really, I mean, it was like 38 degrees at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. So everything's very slushy and wet, but like I said, not bad at all. So as long as it's melting, that's all I care about. Let's get rid of it. So, alright, so we're going to talk about the topic of the video, dropping the ball. Okay, the ball has been dropped. Was watching, like I said, and first of all, let me just say to everybody that sends me all the information that I've been getting, I appreciate it, guys. I really do. Thank you all so much. It makes my searching for stuff much easier when I just get hammered with all kinds of stuff. But he was talking about New York State, and he works in a hospital as a doctor that is in New York State. And he was stating that they have tested 34 people in New York. 34. He said, you know, he was talking about the cases, which the numbers continue to rise. We're up to 6 deaths now in the United States, and I think we're up to 92. I think it's the number of, I can tell you in a second. The number is, 97. 97 people in the United States now, and the number of deaths is up to 6. So, you know, it's definitely starting to climb up there, obviously. But the doctor was saying that because they can't adequately test people, he said in a week from now, he said we will have hundreds of cases. 2 weeks from now, he said we will have thousands. So, you know, they're saying that they're going to get these test kits to these folks so that they can start testing people. So they asked him, well, what are you doing with the people that you suspect that may have the virus? He goes, well, we're isolating them properly the way that we should. You know, he said, but he said things are going to get bad. You know, there's going to be a lot. And so here's what my point is to you guys out there. Okay, I believe this has been here for a while because of the incubation period, and now all of a sudden people are starting to pop up positive for it, and I think it's going to continue to get worse. Okay, that's my opinion. You're going to see that there's a lot more widespreadness of this virus than we have previously thought. We are not China. They're not going to be able to hide it like China has been able to hide it. When, you know, the numbers continue to rise, people continue to die, you know, they're probably suppressing the numbers right now, in my opinion. And again, you know, like I said, this is going to be a very, very interesting ride. But they have definitely dropped the ball on this whole thing. Faulty test kits, you know, test kits that didn't work, false positives, false negatives. They're letting people out of quarantine, and then people are testing positive after they've been released from quarantine, because obviously 14 days is not enough of a quarantine period. A lot of misinformation. Like I said, a lot of the ball have been dropped. It's starting to rain right now too, just so you guys know. So I'm going to get under the awning here in a second and talk to you. But I wanted to show you. So one of the things that I did today, and I will show you here. I went out And I talked about this in one of my streams. I said I'm going to go out and I'm going to pick up 2 more gas cans, and I'm going to add more gas. And it's funny because I did that. I went and got the gas cans today, and I added another 10 gallons of gas to my supply. And then I just got a message from my mother, and she said, yeah, we went to Tractor Supply, and the gas cans at Tractor Supply, the 5-gallon cans, were 26 bucks. She said, then we went over to Walmart, and the gas cans at Walmart were $19.99 or $20. So she said, so I picked up 2 of them, and I'm going to bring them up to you tomorrow. So I got that message after I had bought 2 more of my own. So that's okay. I'll add another 10 gallons of gas at that point as well, which I have no problem doing. But again, I just think that it's really, really smart to be as prepared as you possibly can be. And so actually one of the things that I did pick up again today, now I already have a couple, and I wanted to add more to what I already had, so I picked up another one today. And this is one of the things I think a lot of people, I'm going to get under here so that I can talk to you guys and not be standing out there while it's raining. One of the things that I think a lot of people don't think about, so where am I just at, right? I'm standing out there in rain, I'm getting wet. Well, if you're having to be outside a lot and doing things outside and it's raining, it's not any fun. So rain gear, rain pants, and a rain, top with the hood. So I picked up another set of rain gear today as well. I think it's important to have. So, and having, enough of it so you can have multiple people being able to be outside in foul weather and be able to still continue to do things that you need to do. So I just thought it was an important thing, so I grabbed more today. And, well, one more set today. But, so, yeah, I figured if I went about 1:30 in the afternoon, and there was hardly anybody in the store because everybody's working, and it's just a few older folks in there and stuff like that. But so that was perfect timing to get in there and do what I needed to do. So that's what I was focusing on taking care of today. But so I had some other stuff that I wanted to do running around wires today, so I did that as well. But yeah, so that's what's happening with that. Okay, so I want to talk about really, really quickly, guys. Everybody that has an order, okay? I just got another email today from Amy from Legacy Foods, okay? As the orders have come in, they're going to deal with orders as they come in. And so what they're going to, that's what we're going to be working on, okay? It could be a significant delay. She is saying today in her today's email that it might be 50 days before they're able to ship everything out. But they're going to come in on a first come, first serve basis. So as the order, whatever orders are in, they're going to be getting those orders out, okay? So if you are still interested, it will be a delay, okay? I'm being 100% honest. I'm not going to ever BS you. Anybody that has an order in, it is going to be a while yet. They're trying to catch up with everything. Things have been crazy, and so they're definitely behind, okay? It's just they got caught with their pants down like everybody else did. All these freeze-dried companies, so it's not just Legacy Food, it's all of them. Everybody's buying everything. So if you are still interested and you want to go there, you can go to my website at preppernurse1.com. Check it out there, okay? And you can still order. I would recommend ordering the larger buckets because those are still in stock if you're going to. So you're like your 120 buckets and higher, but not the gluten-free. The gluten-free is out of stock right now too. So again, as things come in, I've been trying to put orders in the best of my ability to get them in. So everybody, please be patient. It's not me. I would never delay your stuff. I promise you that. I want to get them in so you guys can get your stuff, but it's going to be a little bit of a delay, unfortunately. Okay, so just be aware of that. So, just hang in there. You'll get your stuff, I promise. But they're slammed. They are absolutely slammed. So just putting it out there to let you guys know, because I still have, and I have a few of you sent me emails, and I'll get back to you on the emails as well and let you know that way as well. But you're not forgotten. None of you are. So Other than that, what else was I going to tell you? Oh, so if you are looking to connect with like-minded people as well, you can do that also on my website at preppernurse1.com. We have the Prepper Nurse 1 community. Great place to connect and interact with like-minded people. And so that's a great way to, if you just want to talk to somebody, if you just want to read the message boards, if you want to try to connect with somebody in your state or in your country, or if you're looking to try to form a group, it's a great opportunity and a great way to do that. Again, you do that at your own discretion. We have, nothing to do with who you meet with or whatever, stuff like that. So, go with your own gut on those type of things. But, so that is what is going on there. So again, it's preppernurse1.com, and you click on the PN1 community, and that's how you get into there. You have to register. It is totally free. It does not cost anything. We've set that up for you guys as a way to connect with people. Okay? So, what else was I? I'll tell you something else too. I can't think of it off the top of my head. But so anyway, so the snow is melting here at the homestead, which I'm very pleased about that because I'm like so done with winter. The rest of this week is supposed to be pretty decent. So hopefully we'll get this snow out of here, and then I can start getting some things done outside, which I definitely want to do. And I have a lot of projects that I want to get done this year. So I'm going to continue to work on things. Oh, all the chickens, you can see them all popping out over there. Hopefully you guys can see that. They were all jumping out of the chicken house. So, or chicken coop, I should say. Or as some of you had said, my chicken mansion. Yeah, the birds are spoiled. They're good birds, though. So anyway, guys, I want to hear your feedback. Do you think that the ball has been dropped? Have they really, do you believe that this whole thing is intentional? Did they want this thing to spread? Because for some reason, it seems like it's almost intentional. When this thing first really broke out and was going crazy over there in China, and it's a lot worse than they were saying. First of all, we all know that. The U.S. government said they knew that. Why didn't they just stop all flights coming in and out of China at that point? That's what I don't understand, okay? As you saw the things continue, they just should have just stopped all of that. Again, it's money. It's all about that as well. I saw the stock market did rebound like 1,200 points today. Again, people are buying on the dip, obviously. So we'll see what happens. The rest of the week will be interesting to see how the rest of the week goes with that. But so anyway, guys, stay focused. Just keep trying to be as ready as you possibly can be. That's what we all really need to do is, just be as ready as you possibly can, because we just don't know. I believe that there will still be sheltering in place happening here in the United States. I think as things continue to accelerate, you look at the numbers are already going up, and I know it's not a lot right now, but as they test more people and get more kits in here, I think you're going to see those numbers greatly increase, okay? So just stay focused on that. Remember, guys, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. That's important as well. Also remember, guys, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you were trying to do, whatever you were trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is you. Nobody else can stop you, okay? So stay positive, guys. Just hang in there. Do the best you can. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.